purple and yellow violas. I have 3 flats of 12 peacock kale. I have white and purple. So how many I got of those? 9 of each of those. Couldn't exactly get all of the kale the way I wanted them. I wish I could have got all of these. Let's see what they are. Alright. Total of the bigger ones. $20. And then I got smaller ones over here. Go around the trees. I got 3 flats of 12. A bunch of Dusty Millers. And a bunch of white snapdragons. And then I have a flat of daisies. Pansies with red and yellow. Mostly deep red pansies. I got 1 flat of those. Flat of yellow pansies. And this flat of purple dianthus. So, on the stage. Alright, Jason just got back. We got 10 2 cubic foot bags of potting mix and 30 bags of black mulch. Let me show y'all how it came out this time. The plants we got this time were slightly older, so larger, so they can pop more. I put the Dusty Millers in the back behind here this year, give it kind of a pop. Okay, so this year the peacock kale stops here. It doesn't go around the tree. Instead, I did snapdragons all the way around the tree. I mean white snapdragons. And that back corner is empty because nothing grows there. It's 99% shade, so no sense in wasting flowers. Another beautiful install. Alright folks, we are at another landscape job. Hopefully the last one of the year. We'll see. I'll show y'all what we're doing. We are going to trim those up. Well, the one. We have to remulch this bed. We are cleaning this one out, taking the caladiums out, weeding. We're going to be planting flowers in this bed and that bed. And Jason's got these few to trim up and mulch everything out. So, gonna be a little project today.
1 hour later.
Alright folks, so I want to show y'all where we are right now. Alright, Jason has cleaned up all the hedges, laid out all the red mulch. While he was doing that, I was tearing out and getting all the caladiums out of bed, cleaning it up. What I did was I kind of tilled up with my hand. It's very, very soft ground. All of this area, kind of flattened it a little bit, and then poured 1 layer of potting soil. Did that to both sides. Show y'all Jason's beautiful hedge job. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. A little ring of mulch. And then all of our flowers that are going to be going in. So, kind of guesstimated on how many needed to go in the bed. Hopefully I got the number right. I think I did. If nothing else, they'll grow into the space instead of suffocating themselves out. So.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be